These are a couple of the new girls we got from the farm. It was a barn-laid farm. And this is their chance to have a dust bath, and they're loving it. A dust bath is a completely natural thing for a hen to do. It helps control mites and any other skin conditions there might be. And there's a third one just there. Of course, there's a bit of emu silliness going on at the moment too. Burnham's chasing Loanna, as he does. I think it's that time of year. Here we are, girls, trying a beautiful bit of dirt to get all dusty in. Good girls, you enjoy. A rooster's just popped into the picture to just keep an eye on them.